Good morning. Welcome to Early Morning Chronicles, Spark Edition. I just picked up a Spark delivery for $22.73, going 3.3 miles. It's only a 2 drop off. But the thing about it, one of the items is a very large order. So, but we're going to do it. So let's go get this order. Alright guys, we're at the Walmart. We're in spot number 31. So let me confirm that I am here. Hopefully they come right on out. So I can go ahead and start delivering these items. Oh, they're coming. Thank you, Jesus. Here, one person had 182 items. All items has been scanned in, so now I'm just waiting for him to finish putting this stuff in the trunk. Alright guys. Hold on.
And she shall live.
All items are in the car, in the trunk, so let me complete pickup. The first one is going to oh no, please don't let this. Oh, it's the small one. Thank you, Jesus. Going to an apartment. At front door, please knock on apartment and court. Okay, and we are going how far? Probably 5 or less. It's 4 minutes away. Yep, 4 minutes away. Let's go do it. Off. We're going to another apartment, and you might have saw me. Let's see. Let's read the instructions first. First floor. Please knock on the door, and it is. Let's see. 6 minutes away. All right, and now this is awesome. Definitely going to be to work on time, and I love it. But anyway, you might have seen me.
Bellwood Road. Then turn left onto Bellwood Road.
You might have seen me stepping out some when I was dropping off this delivery, and that is because the apartment, as soon as I open the door, is right there. Hold on, let me get out of this part. It's right there, and it was too tight to try to take a photo showing the number. Of course, I could have taken a photo of the food. Let me fix this. But I definitely wanted to capture the number that was on
Bellwood Road. Then turn left.
I definitely wanted to capture the number that was on the door because I am not trying to get deactivated. I need my job. This job definitely helps me to get closer and closer to getting out of debt because we out here.
At the light, turn left on Jefferson Avenue.
We're out here trying to get out of debt, pay things off. If I have to do Instacart, Spark, Amazon, DoorDash, whatever, I have all sorts of apps on my phone. And that is what we're going to do over here to get out of debt. So let's go drop this last order on our way to work.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place. Fill this place. I am a vessel born of your clay.
Them people had a lot of stuff, so that's why you saw that a lot of back and forth. But they had 182 items, and they had a lot of water, but thank God it wasn't the cases of water. So it wasn't that order wasn't that bad. When I first looked at it, I wasn't going to take it, but I'm like, I'm going to take it because what made me take it, because it was only a 2 drop off, and I didn't know what was in that order. It could have been cases of water, but and also another thing that made me take this order is because I recognized the address, because my mom used to live out here years ago before she bought a condo, and so I knew there was no stairs that I had to climb to deliver these 182 items. So if it was 40 cases of water, I mean a 40 ounce case of water, it would have been okay. So, but I'm still tired for just going back and forth. I am a little tired. Not as tired if I would have been going up and down those stairs. But anyway, guys, this is early morning Chronicles Spark Edition. I'm on my way to work. It is 7:33, so I got that done pretty fast. And it also helped that the first order was only 4 minutes away, and then this order was only 6 minutes away from the first order. And also, why I'm done so fast is because as soon as I got to the store, within 5 minutes, probably less, the guy was coming on out with my items. So, but anyway, we're on our way to work. I want to thank you guys for always popping in, supporting. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please come be a part of Mom on a Mission. It is definitely free to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.